My name's Kieran, I'm a first year mathematics student. I'm doing full-time maths here at Brunel, and I chose Brunel because not only do you learn like the mathematical skills, but you learn the applications of them in the real world. And I came into Brunel from a teaching basis. So last year I spent my time volunteering at a school, and I've decided that actually that's something I'd really like to get into, going and teaching maths. And so I'm part of a government initiative that is providing some funding throughout my university time, which then afterwards I hope to go back into doing. So doing this project was really great because you learn skills in like researching. Beforehand, I'd never sort of gone away and been like, I have no idea, but in 2 weeks I've got 8 minutes to give it and teach this to like brand new for a bunch of people who have never heard it before. So it really like time management like is a bit of a cliche, but it really is like there, and you have to be aware, because at the same time as doing this project you were also doing your studies and other exams and so on. The skills I learned with this project were really applicable for what I want to be going in to do for my teaching. This was a great way of learning out like how to give a presentation to a bunch of people who had no idea what I was talking about. So I had the 2 weeks to go away, teach myself this project, like manage my time, because I only had like the 2 weeks to do it, as well as all my other studies, and this made it time management like a real key factor in learning. And it'll be great for like later on in my career. For the rest of my time at Brunel, I'm really looking forward to getting into mainly the third year final project. So again, it's very similar to what I've done in my first year, in that they give you a bunch of topics that you can go away, pick, and then you learn, you research, you talk to your tutors and your lecturers, and you learn that area of maths, and you like research it and you make it like your own. So it's nice because you're not just regurgitating information, you're like expanding on it and trying new things. And like with maths you can apply it in so many different ways, and it's just really nice to be able to look at where, like, think that's where I'm going and that's what I'm going to be able to do. So a highlight of my first year has been that in the maths course I've been able to learn like skills. I had skills and I knew these things in geometry especially. I knew a lot about different angle theorems and stuff from GCSEs, and now I'm seeing them applied at a higher level in the real world in a much like greater sense, in a broader sense, and it's really nice to see that bigger, the bigger picture. That's great. But it's also the social side. So I'm involved with the Christian Union, and we've gone away on a couple of weekends. We get involved around campus, and I've got other friends from maths. We go out on nights out, and it's just nice to have that. Although I am working, I am revising, and it is tough, like during exam periods, that's quite difficult in the revision times. But then after it's done, and you just get that nice social aspect to university life as well.